In today's video, we will discuss how to take a left turn at a traffic signal. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and always follow their instructions. To take a left turn at a signal, your car should be in the left lane. Change lanes to the left. Here you can see that this lane is for going straight. This lane is also for going straight, and left marking is here. Here you can see a new lane starting from this point. As you move forward, you need to take a left. Change to the correct lane safely. Here you can see the road markings more clearly. These two lanes are for going straight. This lane is for taking a left turn. This lane is for taking a left turn or making a U-turn. As you are a student, if you need to make a U-turn, choose this lane. If you need to take a left turn, choose this lane. Do not touch the solid line or the zigzag markings. If you are not sure where to stop your car exactly, watch this video. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. Here you can see that there are no road markings. Many beginner students make mistakes here because they are not sure which direction to follow. First, move slightly straight ahead. Then smoothly steer your car to the left. As you continue, the road becomes 3 lanes. Here there are 2 available lanes. Experienced drivers may join either lane, but as a student, you should join the right side lane after the turn. Your instructor will explain the correct lane choice during your practice sessions. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.